2-bedroom boardhouse. My father is still a farmer, and my mother is a retired civil servant. I never born with no gold spoon in my mouth.
And your Holness Banya, Holness Banya, him grandmother Banya, him grandfather Banya, I Banya, I Banya, and you him Banya, we broke him Banya, so him not later, so him not later, and you bring in a message to all young people who don't know progress. We are show up progress. Himself he lick them with more house, lick them with hope house, and then we lick them with a better airport, lick them with a bigger airport. We will Wi-Fi universal, we give them Wi-Fi universal, and then we lick them with the free health care. Tough to lick them with the free health care. Increase pay for women, increase pay for women, then we double up the minimum wage. Niger double up the minimum wage. My leader Banya, we program him Banya. We are tell them to let go boya. Them now no use Sonia. We are starting with discipline while we fighting the crime and bad mind. As we bring back the peace and love, bring back the peace and love. The Tapanaris, no day again, no fear master, no day again. Everyone grateful, employed, everyone grateful. We took them with the primary school, and we took them with the secondary school. Labor rights are no fool. Labor rights are no fool. No Tapanaris, no day again, no slave master, no day again. Everyone grateful, employed, everyone grateful. My leader Banya, and your Holness in Banya. That's why him not leave ya. We will lead and not leave ya. We are starting with Andrew. We are starting with Andrew. While we build back the country, yeah. While we build back Jamaica. We are starting with Andrew. We are the starting with Andrew.
Jamaican people, JLP say building time. Anything less, we not pay them no mind. Building for you and your community. We will build up Jamaica by supporting good policies, yeah. Build a better life for you and for me. We'll keep building Jamaica, so vote for the JLP, yeah. Jamaica is a blessed island, and JLP are on a ceaseless mission of development all over the nation. Them upgrading the markets and fire stations. They build the most roadways to be drive on, more than any government before on the island. Them build parks in the communities with better facilities, with the children play fun with you and your community. We will build up your parish and your locality, yeah. Build a better life for you and for me. We'll keep building Jamaica, so vote for the JLP, yeah. So long the people are struggle for better, JLP reduce that make the economy grow faster. We work hard to see the people prosper, building Jamaica area by area, from St. Thomas to Westmoreland, Portmore, Portland and Clarendon, Manchester, even St. Anne's, and St. Andrew and Kingston, Hanover, St. Catherine, Trelawney and St. Mary Bill too. So give us your vote, we continue the mission with you and your community. We will build up Jamaica along with the JLP, yeah. Build a better life for you and for me. We'll keep building Jamaica, so vote for the JLP, yeah. We get new garbage trucks for the trash, get pick up on time. Social pensions for your generation. JLP build up more houses and new urban centers. We look modern with all the transformations. Then we will get the planes over centers. Go look over some chips, see how pretty it again. Now to dream about what them can do. Oh, the JLP, let the building continue for you and your community. We will build up Jamaica along with the JLP, yeah. Build a better life for you and for me. We'll keep building Jamaica, so vote for the JLP, yeah. Build up Jamaica, build up St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, St. Andrew and Kingston, boy. Build up Trelawney, St. Thomas and Mary, St. James, Hanover, Portland, Westmoreland.
Labour right, who ready? Let's welcome the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready now. Get the anthem ready now. Get the anthem ready. The river coming down, no bank to bank, it's coming down. The river coming down, no bank to bank, it's coming down. Labour right coming down, to bank, him coming down. Brother coming down, to bank, him coming down. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready now. Get the anthem ready now. Get the anthem ready now. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew.
Labour Party marching on to victory. Labour Party marching on to victory. Labour Party marching on, alright, marching on to victory. Labour Party marching on to victory. Jump and shout, tell it all about, we shall have the victory. Jump and shout, tell it all about, we shall have the victory.
Come now, me and the neighbor. Oh yes, we voting for Labour. Alright, me and the neighbor. Bring them, we voting for Labour. Carry them, me and the neighbor. Oh yes, we voting for Labour. Oh yes, me and the neighbor. Voting, we voting for Labour. Alright, jump and shout, tell it all about. We shall have the victory. Labour Party marching on. Alright, marching on to victory. Labour Party marching, Labour Party marching, marching on to victory. Jump and shout, tell it all about. We shall have the victory. Jump and shout, tell it all about. We shall have the victory. Come now, me and the neighbor. Alright, voting for Labour. I am. Me and the neighbor. Call them. We voting for Labour. Call them. Me and the neighbor. Bring them. We voting for Labour. Tell them. Me and the neighbor. Oh yes, we voting for Labour. For the change. Me and the neighbor. For the change. We voting for Labour. Call them. Me and the neighbor. For them all. We voting for Labour. For the change. Me and the neighbor. Oh yes, we voting for Labour.
Choose Jamaica. Choose Jamaica.
We're on a mission to lift up our communities. Jamaica Labour Party building shared prosperity. No, we never said that it would happen overnight. Still we laid the foundation to make the future right. We pledge our hearts to uphold our part. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the rightful path. The greener grass is here, the better choices get.
Choose Jamaica
For better communities.
Choose Jamaica
For our prosperity.
Choose Jamaica.
This is what it really means to
Choose Jamaica. Choose JLP.
Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no matter the weather. JLP standing bold through every plan and school and road. From hardships to hope, we've been paving the way. The very best of Jamaica starts today. And so we pledge our hearts to uphold our path. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the rightful path. The greener grass is here, the better choices get.
Choose Jamaica
For better communities.
Choose Jamaica
For our prosperity.
Choose Jamaica.
This is what it really means to
Choose Jamaica. Choose JLP.
Yes, we will see the fruit and we labor. We are getting now, not no later. He is a leader, real and competent. And you always deserve your confidence. Yes, we will see the fruit and we labor. We are getting now, not no later. Prosperity for you and me.
Choose Jamaica. Choose JLP.
For better communities.
Choose Jamaica.
For our prosperity.
Choose Jamaica.
This is what it really means to
Choose Jamaica. Choose JLP. Choose Jamaica.
For better communities.
Choose Jamaica.
For our prosperity.
Choose Jamaica.
This is what it really means to
Choose Jamaica. Choose JLP.
Equal rights and justice is our everlasting song. Unity and progress will make our nation strong. Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up for justice, hear the freedom bell. Remember Bustamante, he served you well. Stand up, Jamaicans,
Jamaicans, when you hear the bell. Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up for justice, hear the freedom bell. Remember Bustamante, he served you well. Stand up, Jamaicans, when you hear the bell. Stand up, sons and daughters, your only hope is in the bell. God will guide our progress and make our nation strong. Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up for justice, hear the freedom bell. Remember Bustamante, he served you well. Stand up, Jamaicans, when you